Today we'll talk about how can you set default reminder chime on your Slack app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on default reminder chime, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on default reminder chime. Then here can you select reminder chime here. When you don't click on OK, then it's going to add with you on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.